There is a connection that transcends time, an invisible energy that mysteriously and intensely united the two of you. The angels, with their infinite wisdom, now whisper in your ears about something you may have felt deep in your heart, but never fully understood. There is someone in your life, someone who was part of your past, who carries within them a deep and undisclosed feeling, a feeling they never had the courage to confess. This love, hidden in the shadows of the past, is like a flame that has never been extinguished, despite the circumstances and the passage of time. This person, guided by forces that go beyond human understanding, is about to break the silence that has kept them bound for so long. The angels reveal that this connection was not a mere coincidence. It was orchestrated by the universe, a divine plan that united your souls in an almost mystical way. For a long time, this someone struggled with their own feelings, trying to ignore or suppress what their heart insisted on feeling. However, true love is a force that cannot be contained forever. The angels show that although this person has tried to move on, something stronger continues to pull them back to you. It is as if a cosmic energy, a force that transcends the rational, has been guiding every step, every thought, back to your path. What makes this situation even more special is the fact that you also feel this connection, even if unconsciously. It is as if, on some deep level, your souls already knew they were destined to reunite. Now, however, the truth begins to reveal itself more clearly, and the angels are here to guide you through this crucial moment. This person, who once was part of your life, is experiencing a powerful internal transformation. For years, they tried to deny themselves what they really feel, out of fear or insecurity. But now, that fear is beginning to fade, and what remains is a pure and genuine love that is impossible to hide. The time of hiding behind masks and excuses is over, and the angels are preparing the way for this truth to finally come to light. There is an internal battle happening, a conflict between reason and heart. On one side, this person tries to maintain logic, reminding themselves of all the reasons they should move on. On the other side, the heart is shouting louder and louder, begging to be heard, to be accepted. The angels whisper that this conflict is a reflection of the insecurities and fears that we all carry to some degree, but in this person's case, these feelings are amplified by the intensity of the connection you share. Now you find yourself in a delicate moment, where all this person needs is a safe space to open up, to share what they feel without fear of judgment or rejection. The angels know that you also carry your own wounds and uncertainties, but they encourage you to lead with your heart, allowing love, and not fear to guide your actions. This is the time to embrace with compassion and understanding, as what is about to be revealed has the power to change everything. The angels continue to work behind the scenes, creating the necessary conditions for this love to blossom. They are dissipating the clouds of doubt and insecurity, replacing them with clarity and courage. What this person is about to experience is a kind of awakening, a deep realization that what they feel for you is real, true, and deserves to be lived fully. Now, a new journey begins, and you are invited to follow with an open heart. The revelations that are to come will bring with them a deeper understanding of the mission that you both share. Continue with faith, for what is in store for you is more than a simple reunion, it's a reconnection of souls that transcends lives. The angels are whispering that the person in question is immersed in a moment of deep introspection. She reflects on the choices she made, the paths she took, and most importantly, how things could have been different between you. The acknowledgement that she tried to protect herself from potential pain, ultimately distancing herself from what truly matters, weighs heavily on her soul. This internal awakening, although painful, is necessary. It is as if, finally, the pieces of a puzzle start to fit together, revealing the true image that has always been there but was obscured by fear and doubt. This person begins to realize that no matter how much she has tried to move on, something is pulling her back to you, something she can no longer ignore. What this person is experiencing is a rediscovery of herself. The angels reveal that the feeling she had for you never dissipated. On the contrary, it remained latent, waiting for the right moment to emerge with all its strength. This feeling is like a seed that, even buried under layers of denial and resistance, has finally found the light necessary to germinate. Now, the truth begins to reveal itself. This person, who seemed distant or even indifferent, is being guided by a greater force, a force that leads her back to you. The angels show that this force is true love, a feeling that cannot be easily forgotten or ignored because it is an essential part of this person's soul journey. There is something deeply spiritual about this connection. It's not just a physical attraction or an emotional affinity, it's a bond that transcends time and space. The angels want you to know that nothing that has happened between you was by chance. Every encounter, every word, and even every silence were parts of a cosmic dance that led you to this moment. This love that has been kept secret for so long, or perhaps even denied, now begins to manifest in ways you may not have noticed yet. Small gestures, fleeting glances, unspoken words, all of this reflects the whirlwind of emotions that this person carries within. Even if they try to maintain a facade of control, the angels show that, inside, they are completely consumed by this feeling. There is an internal struggle happening, a battle between reason and heart. On one side, this person tries to hold on to logic, reminding themselves of all the reasons why they shouldn't fully surrender to this love. On the other, their heart screams louder and louder, asking to be heard, to be accepted. The angels say that this struggle is a reflection of the insecurities and fears that we all carry to some degree, but in this person's case, those feelings are amplified by the intensity of the connection you share. The resistance that was once so strong is starting to weaken. What remains is a pure, genuine love that is impossible to contain. The angels want you to know that this person is in a moment of great vulnerability. They need a safe space to open up, to share what they feel, without fear of judgment or rejection. They ask that you keep your heart open and full of compassion, allowing love, not fear, to guide your actions. The angels also want you to know that, although this person may seem strong and confident on the outside, they actually feel very vulnerable when it comes to deep emotions. It is precisely this vulnerability that makes them hesitate, that makes them question whether they are truly ready to open up again, to take the risk of getting hurt. But the angels are by their side, whispering in their ears, reminding them that true love is worth any risk. That it is better to have loved and risked than to live in the safety of emotional emptiness. During this process, you may notice subtle changes in this person's behavior. Perhaps they will start to get closer, to show more interest in your life, or even to share more of their own thoughts and feelings. These changes are signs that the resistance is yielding, and that the love they feel for you is finally beginning to manifest. The angels want you to know that they are working behind the scenes, creating the necessary conditions for this love to blossom. They are dissipating the clouds of doubt and insecurity, replacing them with clarity and courage. What is to come may be a deep awakening, a realization that what you share is real, true, and deserves to be lived fully. As this person begins to accept the depth of what they feel for you, the angels reveal that a transformation is underway. They are leaving behind the ties that kept them bound to fear and doubt. Now, a new understanding is emerging within them, a clarity that once seemed impossible. This person begins to see beyond the limitations they themselves created, recognizing that the love they feel for you is something that can no longer be ignored. The angels show that, throughout this journey, there were moments when she felt lost, not knowing how to move forward. But these moments of uncertainty were necessary for her to finally confront her own emotions with honesty. Now she finds herself at a turning point, where the desire to follow her heart begins to outweigh the fear of the unknown. What makes this process even more significant is the constant presence of the angels, guiding every step, every thought, every decision. They have whispered words of encouragement, reminding her that love is a powerful force, capable of healing even the deepest wounds. And that is exactly what is happening now. A deep healing is underway, allowing this person to break free from the chains of the past and embrace what is to come. The angels also want you to know that, as this person goes through this transformation process, you are also being called to play an important role. Your own spiritual journey is fundamental for this connection to flourish. It is through your compassion, your patience, and your unconditional love that this person will find the necessary courage to open up completely. There is an energy field around you, a kind of protective shield created by the angels, which is keeping this connection safe and protected from external influences. This field is nourished by the love and faith you share, and the more you open yourself to this experience, the stronger it becomes. At this moment, the angels ask that you fully trust the process. They know that there may be moments of uncertainty, where things seem stagnant or confusing, but they assure you that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. Every obstacle, every challenge that you face together, serves to further strengthen the bond between you. The angels also reveal that signs are being sent to you, small synchronicities that serve as reminders of the love that is about to manifest. It could be a song playing on the radio, a phrase that you read by chance, or even a dream that feels incredibly real. These signs are messages from the angels, assuring you that you are on the right path and that what is to come will be extraordinary. This person, who for so long resisted their own feelings, is now beginning to surrender to love. They are preparing to take a step towards you, a step that could change everything between you. The angels show that this decision was not made lightly. It was the result of much reflection, introspection, and courage. What you are about to witness is a transformation that goes beyond words. It is a revelation of what was hidden in the depths of this person's heart, a love that has been cultivated in silence, but that can no longer be contained. The angels ask that you embrace this moment with an open heart, ready to receive the blessings that are about to manifest. They also remind you that vulnerability is an essential part of this process. Both you and this person are opening up to something new, something that has the potential to transform your lives in a profound and lasting way. The angels ask that you be kind to yourself and to this person during this transition phase, remembering that true love requires patience, understanding, and above all, trust. As this person approaches you, guided by forces they may not fully comprehend, the angels are working tirelessly to ensure that everything aligns according to the divine plan. They are removing the last remnants of fear and doubt, replacing them with renewed courage and clarity of purpose. This is the final phase of awakening, where the barriers that once seemed insurmountable begin to crumble. The angels want you to know that what is to come is a moment of deep union, where two souls that have always been destined for each other finally meet in a space of love and acceptance. As the connection between you deepens, the angels reveal that this is just the beginning of a new journey, where love, understanding, and unity become the pillars of everything that is to come. This long-awaited reunion, guided by divine forces, is the starting point for a new phase of life, where both will be called to grow and evolve together. The angels are creating a sacred space around you, a space where love can flourish without fears or restrictions. They are dissolving the last barriers that prevented this love from fully manifesting, leaving behind only the clear path to a future full of promises and possibilities. At this moment, it is crucial that you maintain your unwavering faith. The angels ask that you trust the process, knowing that each step taken so far has been part of a larger plan, carefully orchestrated by the universe. They remind you that true love, the kind that is deep and lasting, rarely follows a linear path. There are curves, detours, and obstacles, but each of these challenges serves to strengthen the union between you. What the angels want you to understand is that this is a moment of healing, not only for this person but also for you. Both of you are leaving behind old wounds, fears, and doubts, replacing them with a love that is pure, true, and unwavering. This healing process can be intense, but it is necessary for you to build a solid foundation together, where love can flourish in a healthy and lasting way. The angels show that this person is preparing to take an important step in your direction. This will be a moment of revelation, where they will finally be able to express everything they have been holding inside. There will be no more masks or barriers, just the raw and naked truth of a heart that, for so long, tried to hide what it really feels. When that moment arrives, the angels ask that you receive it with an open heart, without judgment or reservations. This is the moment you have been waiting for, the moment when true love can finally be lived without restrictions. They remind you that this is a divine gift, a rare opportunity to experience a connection that transcends time and space. As you walk together on this new journey, the angels will be by your side, guiding every step, whispering words of encouragement and protection. They want you to know that you are not alone on this journey. The universe is working in your favor, aligning everything for this love to bloom fully and completely. The signs you have seen throughout this process, the dreams, the coincidences, the small synchronicities, were all reminders that you are on the right path. Now, with the unfolding of events, these signs become even clearer, confirming that what you are about to experience is nothing less than a manifestation of the divine plan. At this final moment, the angels ask that you continue to trust your own heart. The wisdom that resides within you is a compass that will guide you through any uncertainty that may still arise. They remind you that true love is a journey, not a destination, and that each step taken on this journey is an opportunity to learn, grow, and draw even closer to the divine. As this love manifests tangibly in your life, the angels are celebrating by your side. They know how much you have worked to get here, how much you have overcome, and they are here to ensure that the path ahead is bright and filled with blessings. This is the moment to embrace the love you have always known you deserved, to allow it to transform your life in ways you may have never imagined. And so, with hearts intertwined and souls in perfect harmony, you both move together toward a future that is as bright as the stars. This is the gift from the angels, a gift wrapped in love, light, and the promise of a new life, where true love reigns supreme. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.